A tree that can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. What a fantastic tree it is. Introducing Marang Banguhan, Artocarpus odoratissimus of the family Moraceae. Marang Banguhan is highly acclaimed as one of the most favored fruits of the genus Artocarpus, along with other non-native langka, Artocarpus heterophyllus and Rimas, Artocarpus altilis. Marang is a medium-sized tree usually planted as a backyard fruit tree in urban homes and gardens. The large fruit of Marang Banguhan is eaten fresh, while the seeds are eaten roasted or boiled. Young fruit is also cooked with coconut milk like its exotic relative langka. Marang Banguhan can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, lessening the chances of heart disease and stroke. Marang can fight cancer-causing elements. It is suitable for oral health and is good for treating anemia. Marang enhances metabolism. Marang has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. It is also loaded with many antioxidants that can neutralize free radicals that cause aging and certain illnesses. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.